Hi and hello. Fatima and I are glad to see you here today. Yes, Ann and I are excited for this new collaboration. This is the first Boxycharm by Ipsy box. So here we are. Let's see what we've got and discuss the pros and the cons. Wait, stop. Yes? You forgot something. I did? Wait, I will show you. Okay. Where are you going? I'll be back in a minute. That's not exactly the end of you that the world wanted to see. What are you doing down there? Fatima? Fatima? I don't know what she's up to. Fatima? Hello? Fatima? It's not confetti. I guess she wanted to have a confetti party. And moving along with our video, if I could ever find her under there. So as most of you are probably aware, the way the box now works is they pick 2 items for you based upon the profile that you have filled out, and then the consumer gets to pick 3 items. So they picked for me this one. This is Dr. Brandt Mineral Mask, and it's supposed to help unclog pores, reduce shine, and exfoliate. Well, I really don't have problems other than perhaps needing to exfoliate a little bit. So I wasn't thrilled with this one. They also chose for me one of my least favorite brands, Supergoop. My problem with this brand is it sticks to my skin. My skin doesn't feel like it can breathe, which makes me feel like I'm going to overheat, which then aggravates my anxiety. And so I'm not thrilled with this. Granted, this is not just a sunscreen, although it does have SPF in it. This is a hydroceramide boost with a 40 SPF. I'm probably not going to use this. This is probably going to wind up in the Find a New Home box, as is the other product they picked for me. I took a sniff of it through the safety seal, and it smells very strong and very woodsy. So their 2 picks for me were kind of flops. Yeah, they were kind of flops. We now get to pick 3 items, and unfortunately, one of my fears was that it would be makeup either that I did not like the colors of, or a lot of eyeliner and a lot of mascara. And that's what there was. So I wound up picking more skincare, which is really what I wasn't wanting, but here we are. So we have from Skin Proud Smooth Talk Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I've not heard of this brand, so it could be a plus in getting to try a different brand. Take what you can out of what there was to offer. Exactly. From Ciate London, there was a lip balm. This is their Happy Face Lemon Lip Balm and Mask. I really wasn't in the market for a lip balm. Again, I kind of had to pick with what was available that looked somewhat pleasing to me. There was one item that Anne is excited about. Yes, at least there is one. The Pure Lease Yuzu and Orange Exfoliator. And I've taken a little sniff of this through the safety seal, and it's going in my Q line, because there is a Q line of facial cleansing products, yet I am excited to get to try this one. So those were the 5 items that came in this new box. What do you think? Did you try any of these items? Have you tried any of these items? Comment down below and let me know what you think of what I got. And now let's move along into the nitty-gritty. It did not come with a card. Instead, it came with a newspaper. And I think from what I've seen on other channels, because I've never done Ipsy, I preferred Boxycharm as it was. But I think from what I understand from looking at other channels, Ipsy does a newspaper type brochure. Unfortunately, this only just promotes other Ipsy boxes and promotes their shop and their store. It doesn't tell me anything about the pricing for the items. But I did get an email that told me the pricing for the items, so we can get into that in a little bit. Just general information about the box. It is now called Boxycharm by Ipsy. It's 5 full-sized, and we do get to pick the 3 items. It is $28 a month if you pay monthly. The Camel and I have signed up for an annual subscription. We did that back in October, so we still have a few more months left on it. So we pay $25 a box plus tax plus a handling fee. So all in, we are paying about $28. For the monthly box, in addition to your $28, I believe you're paying a $2 handling fee. So that's getting it up closer to $30 plus tax. So the Dr. Brandt product is $44 and the Supergoop product is $46. My, those are big prices. $35 for the Pure Lease. Then we have $18 for the lip product, and the other facial product, $14. They say that the box will have a retail value of up to $200. Overall, my box value was $156. And like we said, there was no card. I did get the email that gave me the prices. And then there was the issue with when I got to make my choices. They have this set wonderfully if you're on the East Coast. Well, we're on the West Coast. So Anne had to get up somewhere between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. Yeah. I mean, I realized I could wait until later in the day. I was just concerned that if I didn't get up and pick at the beginning of choice options, that my choices would be even less appealing. So we have what we have. Gonna give it a try. It took 45 minutes to make choices and to fill out all of these surveys that they wanted to know my experience with making choices. Since I have received this box back and also knowing what was coming in it, I did go back and for future boxes, or at least for next month, I want to see what happens. I did update the user profile that I set before choices for this box. So I have updated my user profile for the May box. I've tried to hit a lot more makeup and a lot less skincare. So hopefully that will be an improvement for next month's box. The thing that really bugged me, in addition to getting just skincare products. As I was looking at their add-on shop, which was definitely heavily promoted on the website, as I was looking through each of the categories, because the categories start at $3.50 for deluxe sample size and all the way up to $50 for bundles of different hair and makeup tools. Each time I went from category to category to category, it kept telling me, your box is missing add-ons. Your box is missing add-ons. And I felt like saying, shut the up. I really was not in the mood for a hard sell. On a good day, she doesn't like a hard sell. And that was not a good day. Yeah, so I'm not thrilled. Yet I did change the profile, so I am hoping that next month will be better. Leave us a comment down below. What do you think? It's one of those situations I was trying to be positive, yet I want to be real with what I think I got. I'm not trying to be the drama queen. Maybe I am. I don't care. I was aggravated and disappointed with the choices. I was hoping for better. I have redone, like I said, my profile, so I am hopeful that next month will be a better choice options and that what they pick for me will fit my needs a little more readily. So comment, like, subscribe so you can find out what happens next month. That ought to be interesting. Yes, it will. Thank you for watching, and Camel, yes, you got me with confetti? Here, have a little confetti. We'll have a confetti party. Thanks for watching.